Welcome to the world of portable grilling with the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill in sleek black, a perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Picture this: you're out camping, or perhaps tailgating at your favorite sports event. The aroma of sizzling steaks and freshly baked bread wafts through the air, all thanks to this compact marvel from Weber. The Traveler Black Grill boasts an enameled cast iron cooking grate, offering superior heat retention, flavor infusion, and a charming appearance that's hard to resist. With a powerful 13,000 BTU burner, it heats up rapidly, providing precise temperature control for versatility in your grilling sessions. The push-button ignition system ensures user-friendly operation, making it accessible to grillers of all experience levels. And when the cooking's done, simply fold it down for easy transport. It fits easily into a car trunk or storage, so you can take it anywhere. This portable propane grill is designed to cater to a crowd. Its large grilling area means an entire meal is ready at the same time, and it's purposely optimized to save on gas usage. Whether you're whipping up pancakes in the morning or searing steaks in the evening, the low to high temperature range has got you covered. The Traveler Grill can even accommodate a full-size 20-pound fuel tank when using an adapter hose, offering convenience for longer cooking sessions. It's compact enough to use disposable 16.4 ounces LP cylinders sold separately for on-the-go grilling. But don't just take our word for it. Users rave about this grill. One customer said, "This is a high-quality grill. I highly recommend this grill. It has a large cooking surface, 26 inches by 14 inches. It will probably replace my 25-year-old Weber grill if it ever bites the dust." Another shared, "Love this grill. Use it with camper. Compact and sturdy. Has not rusted at all in over a year." Now, when it comes to setting up your Traveler Grill, assembly is required. But fear not, the one-handed setup and fold make it a breeze. Remember, safety is key. Ensure the small 1-pound propane canister is installed correctly to avoid any issues. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is more than just a grill, it's a lifestyle. So why wait? Embrace your love for the outdoors and elevate your grilling game with this fantastic piece of equipment from Weber. Happy grilling!